What's going on, Heat Squad? It is your boy Angelo, aka Mr. Cloud Kicks, and I'm back at you with a new video. Guys, first up, you can see the nice rubber gloves, and you already know what that means. We got an unboxing. That is right, guys. We got another sneaker unboxing. I am so excited. You know, first off, let me show you. We got the awesome box. What? Yes! Yes! Oh, look, he left a nice little note. Yo, Mr. Cloud Kicks, appreciate the purchase of the Bapestas. Hope you enjoy. Check out my Instagram. It is TuckHas23, YouTube channel coming soon. Alright, guys. So, shout out to you, man. You actually gave me a really good steal. Shout out to you, bro. Really appreciate it. All right, guys. So before I show off the shoes, let's do a quick little look. See, huh? Got that beautiful, nice little Bape box. This is actually my first official OG all Bapesta, like full box, everything. So I'm so excited. Size 11. Let's do it. Guys, these shoes, man. These shoes. The material. Wait, what the hell? Whoa, whoa, whoa. What is this? Oh no, I did not see this in the pictures. This looks like if the Grinch wiped his ass with this. What the hell, man? You know what? Ah! So far the shoe does look very decent. So, if you can see right here, which is one of the reasons why I'm not so mad, is because if you can see right here, you can see all the stars. Look at this. 100% stars, guys. 100% stars. So this shoe right here, I would have to say, not too bad. A little dirty, but overall, very clean shoe. I got this for a really good price. I'm not gonna say what I got it for, but I did get it for a very clean price. So now let me try to see if I can clean these up. So now after I was done cleaning the shoe, which now I can wear them without gloves, which is a lot better for me. Now I can be able to get really down to the details of the shoe. Now guys, if you don't know what Bapestas are, they are basically, they're Bapes, but they look like Air Force Ones. But instead of the Air Force Ones, they have, so the Nike Air, it says Bape, and then over here it has the shooting star instead of the swoosh. Now the shoes overall, guys, is an incredible shoe. These bases are just insane. Like, I just love how these are. I love how Air Force Ones are, and I had to get Bapestas because I like Bape and I like Air Force Ones and I want Bapestas. And the thing is that all of the other Bapestas, like the old school ones, they're all cracked and they're all falling apart. So, you know, whatever. Got some new school, and these joints are just insane. I want to get the all white pair and hopefully I'll be able to find them for a really reasonable price. That's about it. That's all I can say about these shoes. You know, I can't really give you guys a full history lesson on these shoes because these have been around for so long, and on top of that, there's so many other YouTubers and other videos that have been made where they do the full breakdown on Bapestas and Bape and stuff like that. So there's not much I can really say about this. So without further ado, guys, let's do the on foot right now. Alright guys, that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, still give it a thumbs up, guys. Not gonna kill you. Also guys, if you are not part of the Heat Squad, join today by subscribing, hitting the nice little bell button so you get the nice notification for whenever I post. Guys, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and just stay tuned for more, guys. I'm not even kidding you. I spent 16 hours editing this video. Exactly this video. Like, I'm just finishing up. See? I'm just finishing this up. I've been editing this video. I have so much more videos for you guys. I have so many pickups. I don't know if you see something right there. That box, there's something in there for you guys. I got something cooking up. Alright, so if you guys want to reach me, if you guys want to hit me up for anything at all, you guys can reach me over on either Twitter or on Instagram at Mr. Club Kicks. Alright guys, so I'm out of here. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.